With the Dometic Stuga pitching aid, setting up your Dometic Stuga awning has never been faster or simpler. Begin with the awning already positioned on the caravan rail. Position the pitching aid at the front of the awning and zip it securely into place using the awning canopy zip. Ensure the deflation valve is closed before inflating. Locate the inflation point on the pitching aid and insert the hand pump hose firmly into the valve. Begin inflating the pitching aid. As it fills, the awning front will lift and stabilize. Once inflated, remove the hand pump and close the valve securely. Peg down both ends of the pitching aid, ensuring they are square and evenly positioned. Peg down the central pitching aid guy line to help stand the awning upright and hold it in position. Stepping inside the awning, fix the caravan bracket pads to the vehicle rail, ensuring they are evenly spaced and securely fitted. Clip in the central upright poles to provide vertical support. Connect them together using the pole above the awning door. When inserting the upright poles, ensure the clamped end is protruding through the awning front. Then clip the central roof poles into the caravan bracket pads, adjusting their position if required. Apply tension until the roof structure is firm and stable. Insert the right-hand upright pole and secure it into the caravan bracket pads. Connect the side and central uprights together. Repeat until all upright and roof poles are fully connected and tensioned. Returning to the front of the awning, deflate the pitching aid completely. Once you have unpegged the pitching aid, unzip it from the awning and fold away neatly. You can now finalize setup of your Stuga awning without the pitching aid in place. Start your adventure sooner and experience more with Dometic.